Do you know that humans are the only animals on this earth who enjoy eating spicy food, and no other animal or living being enjoys it? Yeah. Fact number two. Do you know that humans are also the only animals whose brain shrink? Yeah, our brains also shrink. So, as we get older, our brains tend to shrink and can suffer from cognitive dysfunction like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. But as best researchers can tell, we are the only animals whose brain shrinks, or this type of shrinkage happens to only us. Tests on other animals have found no similar phenomena. Even close evolutionary relatives like chimpanzees and rhesus monkeys, even they don't have similar phenomena. Yeah. Fact number three. Do you know that those lightweight chips which we eat are the only ones because of which we can gain very much weight? Yeah, you cannot gain weight by any other food as much as you can gain with potato chips. That's right. Fact number four. Do you know the fish, most of the fishes are probably wrongly labeled in the markets? Yeah, it is a kind of cheating, but it's done. So, the salmon fish is probably not salmon in the market I'm talking about. Researchers estimate that about one third of all fish in restaurants and grocery stores is mislabeled, often to deliberately mislead consumers and get them to buy more expensive fish, just like getting the tilapia while paying red snapper prices. Yeah, snapper was found to be mislabeled about 87% of the time, and tuna about 59%. It's far too common an occurrence to be a fluke. Yeah, it's very weird, but it is, and it is like gaining profits by the sellers. Fact number 5. Do you know that bananas which we eat can never reproduce because they don't have seeds, as we all know? So, bananas have no seeds and can only reproduce with the aid of farmers who remove and transplant part of the plant stem in order to create our favorite yellow fruit. Fact number 6. Do you know that it is impossible to hum or do like this while holding your nose? You can try it yourself as well. Fact number 7. The least interesting day. Yeah, there was a very least interesting day in the history, and that day was April 11, 1954. And it was because, according to software developers True Knowledge, the search engine project collects facts, and of the more than 300 million facts it has collected, but just two occurred on this day, which were the player named Jack Shufflebottom died, and a Turkish academic named Abdullah Adalar was born, and none other fact was recorded by it. So it is a kind of least interesting thing in the history. Fact number 8. Do you know that bigger folks lead to you eat less, which means that you eat less with the help of bigger folks? Might be a bit confusing, but yeah, it is. Now, a new study published in the Journal of Consumer Research finds that the size of your utensil has the opposite effect, which means if you use a bigger fork, it leads people to eat less because they just feel like that, because they just think that they are eating a big amount of bite in one time, so they eat less. But if they will take smaller fork, then they will think that they are just taking up small bites, so they should eat more and more, which will lead up causing them to eat more with the smaller fork and with bigger fork. So that's the fact. Fact number 9. So friends, do you know that which insect has lived for a very long period of time? Yeah, I'm not talking about animals or human beings, but here I'm talking about insects. And the answer is termites. Yeah, those tiny creatures. So, cockroaches may have been around since dinosaurs, but the termite queen lives longer than any other insect out there in our Earth. Some scientists estimate that these obese and pretty disgusting critters live as long as 100 years. You can just think how long is 100 years, and termites have been living since 100 years. Not all termites, but when a termite is born, then it dies after about 100 years. It's an estimate only. But yeah, that is. So if you like the video, then please like it, share it with others, and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.